I'm going to show you how to do performance for the downhill parking with the curb, okay? That's also part of the G2 test. Okay, when you've been asking, show them downhill parking with the curb, signal to the right, pull over to the right side, and you are in that situation. You've been asked, show them downhill parking with the curb, okay? First, steering all the way to the right. Number 2, put the gear to the park. Make sure your signal is off and apply emergency parking. Emergency brake, okay? And you're done. That's it. Now you have to wait for the examiner to tell you to go, okay? When they asking you for you to go, the first thing is release parking brake, then put the gear to reverse, because you have to get out from the curb safely, okay? If you drive, you hit the curb and you fail the test, so you must go to reverse first. After gear to reverse, signal to the right to send a message to the vehicle behind or front of you that you are going back. And after signal, you must check both side blind spot. Once you check your both side blind spot, focus at the middle mirror, drive quickly, slowly, quickly, and then recover quickly as the steering to turn to the left. Not more than 2 turn, okay? Your focus should be in the middle mirror because you're going back, and recover your steering quickly to turn to the left. Why we did that? Because we have to get out from the curve safely. Once you get out from the curve safely, it's time for you to change the gear to the drive, signal to the left blind spot. If it's clear, do not hesitate to go. Once you go, turn off your signal.